Hey, squirrel. I'm just watching the birds in the trees. There's all kinds of stuff going on with a bunch of birds this morning and all the trees over there. They're gathering in that one small one. Here comes some more. They'll all land and then they'll take off again. And that little one down there on the left. They keep flying over to this one too. In the meantime, the squirrels are going back and forth on the fence. I don't know where they are now. They both got a nut and ran away. I had to move over to the back of the yard or they wouldn't come out. It's a happy morning, happy foggy morning. Have a good one.